Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Matt Gore Outdoors, and I have a pretty good idea of what I'm about to show you. I'm about to show you guys how to set up, I'm about to show y'all how to set up a random tackle box with goodies like this. Now this is a Spook Junior. Here, let me go. Alright, this is Spook Junior. Hello. Putting that girl there. Now this is going to be my favorite, my must-have tackle box. Okay, this is going to be the. I see a bass. Bass are enticing me out there. Can you believe that? So yeah. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to do a. I'm going to walk y'all through how to make a tackle box with the lures you already have. So I already have a Spook Junior. You hear that? Okay, I'm putting that one right there. A Zara Spook. Now this thing almost landed me a whopper of a fish a few days earlier this week. This thing right here. Zara Spook. Here, you're too big right there, buddy. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna put one of I'm also putting a jitterbug. Yep, I got jitterbugs. Now here's a zombie one. Look at that, ain't that cool? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put the main black one in it. In there. That way, get in there, crazy. So, and you can do this with any kind of tackle, guys. Honestly, I'm just putting together a top of the line deal here. You know what I mean? Here's a topwater popper. I have yet to get a fish with this one, but I have a feeling it's gonna do it. Okay, so let's see. And here's a little small one, small guy right there. You see that right there? Yeah. All right, so putting this old girl in there. It's a Texas rig style fluke. Here, let's see. Yep, got the fluke in there, as you can see. Yep. So that fluke's going in there. Now, for some other, you know what, I might put in another, yeah. Why not two jitterbugs? That'd be cool. Two jitterbugs. I got two spooks. I'm leaving the white one in this one. And I'm looking in here, and I have some pretty cool spoons. These two, look at that. Ain't that nice? The only bad thing is I hate it when they get hooked. There we go. A little golden spoon right there. 7 grams. Little spoon looking like a fish, looking like a minnow. Put her right there. Now, I can always switch it out with good stuff and everything like that. I just wish it was more compartments. You know what I mean? And leave that down there. And if you're wondering what kind of tackle box I use, it's a Plano model 6201. I'll leave the link in the description below. I'll leave the link to it in the description and stuff like that. So yeah, like I said, if you want to put your own thing together, go for it. If you have a Plano 1 tray, which is what I have here, that's what I got here. 1 tray filled with good stuff. Until next time, this is Matt Gore Outdoors saying stay awesome and keep on fishing and gland that lunker. Until next time, this is Matt Gore Outdoors, out.